today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this label tag infographic in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to format background. We will give it some different color. I think so it's okay. And we will take this arrow shape, draw this shape. It's okay for now. Go to insert and take a rounded rectangle from two sides rounded and rotate by holding shift and place it here and drag it to equal the width of the first shape. Select both and go to merge shape, union, shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shadow effects, we will give it some, go to gradient and we will give this gradient. I think so it's okay. Go to shadow effect, and we will give it some shadow effect. I think 70 will be okay, 102, and blur will be 6. It's okay for now. And take this shape from rounded from two sides, make it more round, and by holding shift place it here, decrease the size from all sides, and it's okay for now. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Take this arrow shape and I think so place it here and drag in the width. Also shape outline, make it no outline, and we will give it some gradient color. Direction will be left to right. Give this red color to all stops, and now we will place these stops at their places. Okay, select this one and go to more color, custom color, and make it light. It's okay. Go to shadow effects, you will give it some shadow effect. I think so 70 will be okay, 102, blur will be 6. Select this shape and give it also a red color. Go to more color and make it this color darker. I have some written text that I have typed earlier. To save the time, Control C and bring to the slide by Control V, place it here, and now place it here. Give it a some white color. It's okay. Select all and place it here at the slide. Control D to duplicate it. Select both and Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it. Change their numbers to 3, 4, 5, and 6. Select all and place at the center of the slide. I think it's okay. We will bring some icon. We need 6 icons for these shapes, and for this text you can bring icons according to your text, and you can find these icons here in insert icon. Bring to the slide by holding shift and decrease the size of the icons. Now place one by one at here, place it here, place it here, and place it here. Select all and give it the red color. Go to graphic fill and select. Bring this heading text and we will make it give it a shadow effect to the text. Go to the text option and here you can give it a shadow effect. I am going to transparency will be 70, M102 size, blur will be 76. Okay. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification.